There's too much hatred and division in the world, even in the church.
Chuki na matengano duniani na hata kanisani.
The Lord says also, I'm going to break the spirit of hatred and competition in the church in Kenya. I'm going to stop the mouths of the gossipers and the backbiters and the underminers. And then when they see somebody climbing up to a certain place, they devise ways to kill that one. I can't say a lot of things that I know publicly because the information is too fierce. So I won't say it. But there are people that have risen to a level and they just got cut off. But the Lord says, I'm going to protect my own. Lift your hands. And this is going to be the day and the hour where you should never fear. Never fear man. Never fear devils. And never get intimidated by the spirits that think that you step out so much they're going to want to attack. The Lord says, I'm going to give people a fierce fire on them that they're going to go forward. And never look back and go very fast.